For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Indian singer Ananya Birla heaped scorn at Italian-American restaurant Scopa Italian Roots for treating her and her family with no respect. Furthermore, she labelled the restaurant as racist for literally throwing her family out of the restaurant.
This restaurant literally threw my family and I out of their premises. So racist, so sad. You really need to treat your customers right. Very racist. This is not okay.
The young diva narrated her and her family's ordeal through a series of tweets on her account. She alleged that the steward of the restaurant, Joshua Silverman, was extremely rude to her mother.
We waited for 3 hours to eat at your restaurant. Your waiter, Joshua Silverman, was extremely rude to my mother, bordering racist. This isn't okay.
Scopa Italian Roots is a plush restaurant based out at Washington Boulevard's Marina del Rey in California. The restaurant is owned by top American chefs Antonia Lofaso and Pablo Moi. The restaurant is yet to respond to the Indian singer's tweets. The 26-year-old singer and songwriter's mother Neeraja Birla also expressed displeasure regarding the incident. This is what Neeraja wrote while responding to her daughter's post.
Very shocking, absolutely ridiculous behavior by Scopa Restaurant. You have no right to treat any of your customers like this.
Even Aryaman Birla, who is the brother of the young diva, supported his sister and termed the incident as unbelievable. I have never experienced anything of this sort. Racism exists and is real. Unbelievable. Apart from Aryaman Birla, several netizens supported the singer and songwriter on social media. One of the netizens called for punishment against the restaurant owner over the mistreatment. That's really shocking and unbelievable behavior with India's most reputed and powerful family. The owner should be punished for such an unpardonable behavior. Take some harsh action and set an example. He should remember his entire life that he messed up with the wrong family. Another netizen asked the singer and songwriter to lodge an FIR against the restaurant owner for exhibiting such behavior.
Unbelievable. Such behavior with India's most reputed and rich family and with talented Ananya ma'am. FIR should be lodged against the owner of the restaurant.
The Indian singer and songwriter is the daughter of Kumar Mangalam Birla and Neeraja Birla. Apart from singing and writing songs, Ananya Birla is also a mental health advocate. On the work front, Ananya recently collaborated with Jamaican-American singer Sean Kingston for a single titled Day Goes By.